Gigabit networks are vital to the future connectivity that embraces a world of IoT and 5G. But are we seeing enough investment to make it happen? We've been canvassing opinion here at Total Telecom's Gigabit Access conference in Brussels.
Our industry is facing two challenges today. The first one is to provide broadband access to everybody, no matter where they are, as fast and cost efficient as possible. And this is still a big challenge because almost the half population on Earth don't have access to broadband services. The second challenge is to upgrade the speeds for those ones who have broadband to gigabit speeds. And this is again a challenge because the average broadband speeds worldwide is a little bit less than 8 megabits per second. So definitely there are opportunities and we need more investment in gigabit services and broadband in general.
Fiber investments are a main topic today. It's not only driven by fixed networks, it's also driven by mobile networks. So the answer is yes, there is enough money. That is of course where will these investments go? They go into city areas or rural areas, and of course the answer is obvious. Where you have the most of the customers, those are the areas where we'll make the investment.
Well, at least what I can say that within Orange we do invest quite a lot on FTTH, and that's not only in France and Spain, but we do also invest in Eastern Europe, in Poland, in Slovakia, and even in our African operations we are starting to deploying FTTH. So yes, we do invest quite a lot in deploying the FTTH access networks.
At Calix we believe there is not enough investment being made, and we all know, I think, from the market information that fibre enables economic growth, very significant economic growth in the market. At Calix, of course, we're more than happy to help any operator that wants to move in that direction.
Is there enough investment for gigabit networks? Yes and no. Yes, because it's obviously new money in the market and it's driving a lot of change and a lot of new connectivity. No, because there's still a shortfall. Rural and less dense areas are still going to be difficult, so there's always more money needed.
We see cable operators definitely planning and investing into readiness for gigabit services. We see cable operators investing in building gigabit-ready CBEs with enough Wi-Fi capability to not only take in the gigabit service, but also to be able to distribute the gigabit service into the home, which is a key problem that they are facing. I think from our customer base, we definitely see a lot of prioritization towards readiness for gigabit services. I'm not sure the same is true for the rest of the industry outside cable. I think for telcos, they need to increase the priority of fiber to the home investments or G.fast investments.
I think that now in Europe there is. It took a bit longer than in other regions, for instance the US or Pacific, but finally the large operators are starting to realize that if they want to catch up with the small niche FTTP or FTTH players, they need to play the game. So I think that finally it's coming to fruition.